can start Google Analytics for free, which is creating a Google account first. Now, if you already have an account, you can just log in. So I will do that now. So in this store, this Google Analytics is for one of my businesses called Gorilla Geek Company. And here we're going to look at what you actually need to be able to set up a Google account. What you need so that you can sync up your Google Analytics with your website. So you're going to go to this admin right here, and then you're going to click on Create New Account. So you're going to give this account a name. And so this is a website. And then we're going to give it a name. Name the website. Type in your URL. Select a category. Put in your time zone. And then put in what type of data sharing options you want. And then click Get Tracking ID. Now, I've already done this, so let's go back here. Alright. Once you create your account, you're going to come over here to this property side. You're going to come to Tracking Info. Alright. You're going to get the tracking code. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways to do this. Some platforms will require this entire script, and some will require just your user ID, which in this case, here's my user ID. Alright, now there are other places where you actually have to take this entire code and you'll have to paste it into the head tag. Alright, so what's a head tag? Let me show you. I actually prefer Firefox to do stuff like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the code for this page. Alright? And if you've never looked at this before, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but you don't have to worry about it. Alright? So this is all of the code that goes on behind the page. Okay? Everything here breaks down into 3 sections: HTML, head, and body. Out of that, that's everything. Everything inside the body is what you see on the website. Everything in the head is where all of the data goes in for your page to work the way you want it. But if you're doing it on WordPress, it's not exactly the same. So here's the dev site that I've set up just for this instance. So let me show you a plugin here. I'm going to add new. Come over here, type in custom CSS. And this one right here, simple custom CSS and JavaScript. Activate. Oh, I already had it installed, so install and then activate. And then here it is, right there. So you're just going to click on this. You're going to add HTML. Alright, we're just going to title this Google Analytics Tracking. Alright, and we'll come back here. We'll get this code, and then I'll paste it right in there. Okay? And over here, where do you want it? You want this in the header, just like we had discussed. Alright? And then you just hit publish. Now, this code is now inside of the header, and on top of that, this code is not, it's not obtrusive. You know, you didn't have to come into an editor like this and change the source code for anything, this here is separate and it's manageable.